Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Shloka 12. Etasmadaparam kinjin manashuddhyaina vidyate janmandare bhavet punyam tata bhagavadam labhet. Etasmadaparam kinjin. Here, the answers are given by the Sutta Muni to the questions that has been asked by Shaunaka Muni. Etas means single. Adaparam means remedy. Kinjin, no other. Etas madaparam kinjin means there is not a single other remedy. Etas madaparam kinjin manashuddhyaina vidyade. Mana means mind. Shuddhyai means purification. Na means no. Vidyade means the knowledge that can be achieved. Mana shuddhyaina vidyade means to achieve the purification of the mind. There is no other way. That means edasmadaparam kinjin manashuddhyaina vidyade. There is not a single other remedy to achieve the complete purification of the mind. Janmandare bhavet punyam. Janmam means different births that has been previously achieved. Andare means not a single, many births. Bhavet has been occurred. Punyam means we are lucky. Janmandare bhavet punyam. That means we have been very lucky from the meritorious actions that has been done in our previous birth. Tada bhagavadam labhet. Tada means in this way. Bhagavadam means Srimad Bhagavata Puranam. Labhet means to achieve it, to listen to it, to recite it, to hear everything. Tada Bhagavadam labhet means we got an opportunity to listen, recite, and to know the Bhagavata Mahapuranam. Janmandare bhavet punyam tada bhagavatam labhet. That means one can get the opportunity to listen, recite, or know the Bhagavata Mahatmyam only if there is a balance of meritorious luck or actions that has been done in the previous birth. Etat smapta param kinjin manashuddhyaina vidyade janmandare bhavet punyam tada bhagavadam labhed. That means there is no other single remedy other than Bhagavata Mahatmyam to do the complete purification of the mind, and one creation will get an opportunity to recite, listen, or know the Bhagavatam only if they have done very good sattvika actions in their previous janmas. So, we all are at least listening to Bhagavata Mahatmya means we have done a lot of punyam or lot of good things in our Purva Janmas. That's why we got an opportunity to know about Bhagavatam. So we all are considered to be very much purified souls. That's why we are able to at least listen to Bhagavatam. एतस्मादपरं किञ्चिन् मनःशुद्ध्यै न विद्यते जन्मान्तरे भवेत् पुण्यं तदा भागवतं लभेत्. Thank you.